She got that shit. So ugly. I told you, bro. What I said to you when I called you, nigga. Look it. I'm gonna just go back there, bro, cause somebody got there.
All right. All right.
What I told you. I called you later.
Yeah, that's why I was like, what the hell? That shit was nice, though. And she looked cute. Shit, you got to. Shit. Yeah, one time. Thank you. What we got? What number they gave us?
They didn't give us no number on the week. Get any number.
Oh, fuck it. Down the bottom. Down the bottom. Down the front. Yeah, that shit nice.
And then she was shot. Look, where you throw your car, doing shit like this. I'm like, I was smiling.
We both are hit that line.
I'm like, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that shit.
Once I walked though, I peeked through the doors. She was staring at you because when she was staring at you, she kept looking at me too.
She about to get hit. She about to get hit.
Crazy.
No, man. She did this. It's nice.
No bullshit, bro. She nice as hell,
Yeah, she is nice. You want the whole John?
She knew I was looking. She knew I'm looking. I'm just looking like tired. But you see how she kept playing. She like had fun.
That ring loud.
But she, that's a 300. I gave it a look like, stop playing games. That's why she tell me, I'm just playing. Yeah. How sometimes white people, they be serious. They be trying to really play niggas. Like, you seen the old heads, they were serious. And then they try to joke once they went through. She was looking, she was playing. Like, you could tell she was playing.
Yeah. I had to transfer bread. I forgot. I was sitting in the car the whole time, and I could have did that.
I need to change my sight, bro. That 20-ass sight I got on her hands.
Yeah, that John was banger, though.
That's a little BB gun sight.
Little banger, though.
A little BB gun
sight. Banger, though. I need to shoot some shit.
I need the sight that's on my ARP. No, I need the sight that Sam got on his shit.
I know his Jones is looking nice.
Yeah, the sight he got on his Jones.
I was like, damn.
That's the sight I need.
That shit looking nice.
I'm gonna tell a white girl, come here, I need your help. Nah, don't bullshit, bro, cause she was looking. I know like 2 of them boxes yours. She was looking all crazy. She give it up that eye.
Yeah, she was giving it that eye. That's why I was looking at it for a minute. When I was done and all that, and I was like, and I was putting my glasses on, I was looking at it.
I started cheesing hard and shit too. Bullshit.
I'm about to see if I can set this joint up though. But I ain't trying to set it up right there, cause we're gonna be shooting. Yeah, we at the range right now, man. About to shoot some BB guns.
This my 5.56.
Damn.
See the big difference.
Yeah.
5.56. We're going way bigger. Do I want to shoot it? Fuck it, it's in the bag. Make sure this fucking AR work.
Alright.
Cause last time I was shooting this John, I was losing gas.
Alright.
I don't know why. Shotgun bullets in there.
Yeah, we back. fucking up, man. Put that shit right there, man. Fucking, we outside, man. You know what I mean? We can right now. First ring, pop-pop. First ring, pop-pop.
Yo, why did you hit him low? Look, bro, I'm flipping the wood. Oh, look, never mind. You just can't see it. The blue's so dark. Oh, alright, I'm not. But I'm hitting them niggas. I gotta get used to aiming on this guy. I'm hitting them niggas back. I got you. I was trying to get precise, man. Nah, I'm sure they're trying to find the bathroom. You gotta take a leak. Leak. Need to be leak.
Always gonna stay rolling, man. Gonna stay rolling. Chop him down, man. Chop him down.
You gotta get in the camera angle so they can see the plane.
Ah, my shit's still off. Oh, damn. It was almost there. I'm getting the hang of it though. That's just too bad sight. I need a better sight. See? Almost. It was bang bang. The last one was right there, but the other two, one right there and then one at the 8. Okay, show that, man. Yeah, show that. It's a sight though. Once I get this better sight, yeah, I'm cool. Let me see, chopping this shit.
Gotta show y'all something. Oh, what's one he put over here? About to reload, man. You know we gotta reload. Gotta show y'all something. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this, man. Let me know. I don't know what box he just put over here. But you know, I'm banging shit out. You know, I'm banging shit out, man. Everyday video, man. You gotta let me know. Y'all can't even see my face, man. Hold on, let me put it up a little bit. Make sure it's steady, cause you know that should be shaking with me. Damn, look at my hair. You know, you gotta shoot cute. I'm about to make that nigga spread these legs. I'm gonna make it spread his legs. Should I change the target? I don't know. I'm showing the whole fucking box. Damn. Let me relax. I'm about to bang this little nigga out real quick. We'll talk about all that shit. Let me change the target. Calm down, Joe. Calm down, Joe. How far I left y'all for a little minute. I look black in the camera because I had to turn the brightness down. Somebody was moving the papers around. But y'all about to see how I shoot, man. Let's see how I shoot. They come to the top. We finish it. Safety first. Damn. You so jam on me, man. Let's see right there. Damn. So I fell out that. shit. Let's see how we did. Damn. He ain't going nowhere. He is not going nowhere. Look at that, man. Look at that. He ain't going nowhere. Let me get up closer. I got him in my but he ain't going nowhere. Yo, very much. I went to go take the meanest leak ever. He did say I gotta take a leak. He did say I gotta take a leak. Hold on. Let's fill that. Let's see. We back. Alright, you got it. Hold on. Alright. Because dang, look at my hair. See some more rounds. He wasn't running, man. He wasn't running. I'm an AR champ. Shit, this the whole vid right here.
Wow.
Brr.
Hey, yo, Haas.
Brr.
That's what Sam just got. He
What?
said he trying to go next week. That's a 300 blackout. I asked him. That's the Asian boy.
Oh, right.
That's why it sounds so loud. That's them big boy Johns. That's like they a little bit bigger than the AR John. Like if you put one of them bullets in here, that should have blown the whole gun up. That's
Damn.
why they like when you shooting a 300 blackout, make sure you separate them Johns. Cause they look just like AR bullets, but they bigger. Like, they like,
Oh,
like
fatter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right.
But they look exactly like them. If you want I'll kill them.
These little bad Joes, though. I ain't
Then the
gonna
white
lie.
John fucking with her. She tried to ring me up for $3. I said, "Dang, you must be paying for this. This is gonna be in your tag." She started cracking up. She got one of them little funny goofy legs. She started cracking the fuck
I
up.
know I was chopping down with the AR, man.
That's why I did that.
Oh, what?
But they ain't even got no gun. They renting one.
See, Maj with the chavo, man.
She was staring.
Fine, baby, let me get your number. Whew. Time to chop down again, man.
See how?
I know I did that last time when you was young. Me, it
What?
jammed a little bit.
Yeah, it's like the gas pressure.
Yeah.
When you squeeze, try not to hold the gun too tight, like the bull was saying to you last
Just like soft.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And now I'm probably squeezing too tight. That's some weird shit.
And you might got the bad clip in too. You got the clip I was shooting with?
Yeah. It was
That
right
might be
here.
the bad one. Try it again. That might be the bad clip though. That might be the clip with the messed up spring.
Alright.
Yeah, that might try the
Yeah.
other clip.
It probably is.
That might be the clip with the messed up spring.
Damn. But damn, that shit could.
Yeah, throw that out.
That shit could. This one yours. It got bullets in it already.
That's some fucking. If you want to shoot them, you can. That's some bullets from the range. I'm in front of.
Hey, you got me scared right there, nigga.
Try it. That's the bullets from the gun show I meant. But I'm trying to tell you that one clip, that's the bad clip. I just didn't know which one was the bad clip or not. It ain't gonna do nothing. All that's happening is the spring messed up.
Alright. How many bullets you
nigga.
finish, yo?
But Like, you gotta be in the house ready. Purpose.
You put the whole bag in that joint, nigga.
You
I'm
gotta
like,
be in the house ready, nigga.
yo, I was shooting this shit like, nigga, it's gonna stop? Like,
You think I'm gonna be in the house like that, huh?
damn, nigga. You ready for fucking SWAT team.
That whole 30 off.
You ready for a whole SWAT team, nigga.
Nigga, it can't be lacking in the crib.
Dying,
You wanna know why I did that too? I had a dream, nigga, that somebody ran up in this jaw, and none of my guns was loaded, because it was the truth. I came from the range one day, and none of my guns was loaded.
Dying.
So I'm like, oh hell no, like I'm not getting caught lacking. Like I woke up the next day, oh I forgot I put that in the trash can. I woke up the next day, you know the first thing I did? I loaded every gun up.
Damn. He said, nigga ain't catching me slipping. I'm straight.
40. I got like 3 magazines in a 40, y'all loaded up.
Damn.
But my team next, all my magazines I got at home, them drones loaded up. I ain't saying.
Yeah, I tear that fucking.
I ain't gonna lie, when you get your drone, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be watching this too. Like Rambo put me onto this bag. He did a video on his chain. Nigga, it's a fanny pack, but the way it got its zippers up. But it comes across your chest, but it got a flag.
I think I saw that,
Yeah, you just pull the flag, that joint open right up.
Uh-huh.
I said, oh yeah.
That joint is hard.
That's what I need for like the summertime.
We need to get some of his bullets, too.
Hell yeah.
He can promote us. We need to promote us. We need to promote, man. Damn. I hit a nigga all in his fucking stomach, his legs. No headbang. No headbangers.
You already know I'm about to be scared. I'm the whole jaw.
Shit, go ahead, man. Go ahead. I'm not.
Not yet.
Not yet? So should I keep going?
Yeah, you want to.
Shit, don't say that.
One, you could do a couple of pistol shots.
Alright.
Some of the nines.
Some of them non-joms. Some of them non-jommies. I should have brought an extra battery. I'm fried. No bullshit. Shit about to die on us. Man, we gonna come back when we done loading the pistols up, man. Huh?
The whole
Yeah, the whole chopper. Fuck it, we can. Gonna chop this nigga down. Hold on, get the whole thing. Hold on. Gotta get the whole flicky. Gotta get the flicky in here. Ready?
You gotta hit that joint as fast as you can.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whew.
Loaded, bro.
Yo, he had this joint loaded. I'm
We've been
fried.
dead.
My fault, bro.
We've been dead, bro.
I'm bullshit. I'm bullshit. Relax.
Oh, man. Mr. Jamie.
This joint jammed on me.
Did you use the right mag?
Yeah. Cause we threw that one on the side.
Oh, alright.
Dang, man.
No, it's them cheap ass magazines. I ain't gonna lie. The Metal Jones is the best Jones. I just don't like how the Metal Jones look.
Alright. I couldn't kill him.
And I think I need to oil that John, bro. I ain't gonna hold you.
Oh, yeah. Ready? Ooh. I hit him with my Nerf gun trigger.
Huh?
I hit him with this joint. That's that crazy shit. Hold on. Cause mine's gotta go next, man.
Let me see something.
Damn, what the fuck you brought them bitches from, nigga? Out of your ass?
Oh no, these are Jones I went and bought, but I ain't peeked. They gave me a set with like a whole different type of box.
I know, I'm looking at the bitch like
They giving me this shit I've been here for like 30 years. Look at them Jones, like
damn.
full of black.
Them bitches.
About to take them back. That's how they did me with the 40. I'm about to let the whole
kill them niggas. Kill him, man.
let the whole 20 go.
Alright. Got my little putt right here. It's the end of the vid though. We just left the gun range and shit. You know how we do it. Waiting for him to come back around. Camera just died. But make sure y'all tap in, yo. This how we doing it, man.